Hank, let's see if this thing will crank, and let's use it to pull that truck out with. When we work on it, I'm gonna have to get around the
pull out the woods there.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good to me.
You remember this one, don't you?
Oh yeah. Come on, babe. It's wanting to. You want some help?
Might have to have some help. Hank.
Okay, I'll run to the truck.
Not narrow stub post battery.
Do what?
There's one.
I gotta pop my hood in here.
All right.
We'll just put him right there. I'll crank the truck up.
All right.
A lot of y'all saw the Smack truck video where we cranked it up. Now the owner of it is using it around his farm, so that's pretty cool. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the Mack, crank it up, and there's an auger truck over here. We're going to hook the Mack up to that, pull it out of the woods or tall brush, and then work on it so that we can kind of walk around it. Ugh. That ain't sounding good at all. You want to try to put another battery on it?
Let's try that.
All right.
Looks like a brand new battery.
I know, that's what. Yeah, that stinks. That's not what. It must be drawing it, you know, when he left it out, left it hooked up.
Building on up, Hank.
All right, here we go.
Ready?
Yeah. There he goes. I thought we was gonna get lucky.
I did too. Can you wiggle that negative post? There you go.
I can throw some vice grips on it if it looks a little loose.
See what it'll do.
All right. You just want to run over to that cat? Or you want to keep trying this?
Go plan B.
Oh yeah, let's go to plan B.
Yeah.
How about you? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. I got Wiley with me today. What's up, buddy?
Hey, how you doing?
You look cleanly shaven. You look 10 years younger without that on you.
Well, I feel 10 years
Well,
younger.
you look 10 years younger. So.
Well, thank you.
Hey, we've got to swap to plan B. We were going to use this Mack. Y'all have seen this in the other video, but we really don't want to try to crank two vehicles in this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to abandon this, go to plan B, and let me show you what we're going to do next. This old cat grader we know fires right up. This old Model 12. And so what we'll do is we'll crank it up. We'll bring the batteries over here, stick it on there, and then hook it up to this auger truck and get it pulled out where we can work on it without having to deal with all the brush and the briars and whatnot. So that's plan B. Let's see how that works out for us. Well, this is plan B2.
Yeah. Let's try to put some batteries in this thing.
Yeah.
And just see if it'll spin over.
Okay. Yeah, that's probably smart.
That would.
We've never had one that's locked up on us.
It was running when we parked it.
All right, so let's tote these batteries over here. Wiley is obviously feeling better since he's toting batteries now, but I'll help him here in just a second.
Well, you went to.
What's
you
that?
went to get a pap smear yesterday.
Yeah, that's right. All right, let's load them up.
Let's see. This is the way.
Be the easiest wheel start we've ever done.
Oh yeah. We'll dig a hole. Too.
Oh, here's the jumpers for the other battery.
What the heck? Man, got what we need out here like this.
I know it. Unbelievable. Hold on, I'll go get my crescent wrench.
not having other stud post batteries, that ever stopped us before. That's why we have vice grips.
Yeah, this is true. Well, at least see if it turns over on
one battery might crank it.
It probably will.
I think we should say start it. One battery might start it.
Right. It's a nice service truck, man.
It is.
I wonder if that auger works. We'll test that out here in a minute. It's a C7500. And check all the fluids before we turn the key.
Yes.
Does it have a key in it, I wonder? We have to check that too.
Yes, we'd have to.
This don't look like it. I wonder how long it's been sitting.
Huh?
You know how long it's been sitting?
If it's like everything else the man has, 5 years.
5, 7 years.
Yeah. Oh, that thing's got a...
Nice cat in it.
Yes, it does.
Mm-hmm.
Old cat will crank right up, too.
I believe it will.
Yeah, look at that guy. I don't know if the tank's colored or not, but it looks like it's got antifreeze in it.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's check the oil on this thing.
You know what's nice about this one, too, Hank?
What's that?
It's got that primer pump on it.
Oh, that's right. Wiley.
Huh.
This thing's making oil.
Telling you.
Look how clean it is. I mean, there ain't no rats been in this one.
Oh.
Seriously, it's going to be the easiest one we've ever done.
I think I've seen a cat get out of it. That might be it.
That's right.
Sounds good, don't it? That thing's making fuel.
Listen, hold on a sec. 5 years, 3 months, 2 weeks.
Hank,
for sure.
There is a 64.3 probability that this thing will not crank.
I agree. You have done the calculations and the math says so.
And also, why it's no rats, it's a cat engine.
Let's see if it's got a key in it. Oh yeah. Wiley, we are in like Flynn, buddy. The clock shows 154,400 miles.
Hang on just a minute. You want me to prime this pump out here? This manual pump?
All right.
Has.
What you nugget?
This might be the best thing cats come up with.
Oh, I see it coming out of the...
That thing's prime.
Yeah. You gonna be able to get it back in there?
Sure I am. I might not be a smart man, but I know how to turn the opposite way.
It's a 7.2 liter, 3126, 7.2 liter. Wow, where are you going?
Just right here.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna turn the switch and see if it's got any lights.
Patience, grasshopper.
What's that?
Patience, grasshopper. I'm ready.
All right. We got lights. All right, here we go. Ready?
Ready.
Nothing.
Oh,
Dude, that's not even challenging. That fired right up, dude.
It was that pumping.
What's that?
It was that pumping that fuel.
I believe you're the one that did it. Yeah.
That's sweet.
Okay, so we got it cranked. We'll see now. We got to watch to see if it builds air, and we're gonna see if that stuff works up there, the business end of it. Yeah, it's not on the ground. It'll come out.
Yeah, it's good.
Shut this hood. First challenge complete. Now we'll just pull it out. Let that thing build up some air. All we gotta do now is drive it out of there. Look at that thing. Just a small leak. Not bad at all. Let's see. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Now let's go see about the business end. Works. This outrigger. Can't get the PTO engaged?
That thing spit at.
What's that?
Something spitting at me, look.
Oh, I see that, yeah. Yeah.
What is wrong? You got any power lines need fixing? No problem. Got any post holes to be dug? Not a problem.
Not a problem.
Stepping up and getting in this thing? Problem.
It's got a ladder entrance over here.
Yeah, that's what I'm hunting. Let's see, Hank. I believe this may be the outrigger here.
And a wasp nest. I'm glad I didn't get that in the summertime. Should have paid more attention to that, shouldn't I? Oh, there you go, Wiley. So that one's working.
What happened there?
I don't know.
Something's happening.
So we got one outrigger that works. Can we try the levers from up there?
Try it, see.
First dig. Oh, so this must be the auger itself. I don't know what that one is. Out, third in, ATO. Warning, do not pull poles with boom. Pole claw. Push auger release. What, that button right there, you must push down to release the auger. No, on your...
Yeah.
Yeah. Did that go down?
No. Well.
Oh yeah, that's turning this. Do that again. That's moving that auger. So that one works. What does this one do? Huh. Oh, you got some leakage up here now.
Yeah.
Well, the auger turned just a little.
Yeah. I'm getting
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Getting hydraulic oil all over my Georgia boots.
Great.
I don't like that.
I got some on mine too. I bet if you spend a little time on this thing.
And knew what functions did what?
Yeah. And knew what did what.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. At least it cranked though.
Well, that is a plus.
I mean, it's like you say, it's been 7 years. You fired it right up.
Oh, well, here's some more.
Yeah.
Come on, Hank.
No, oh, that's the forward one. I was hitting the wrong one.
Got one for each side.
All right, so the outriggers work.
This is the outrigger here.
Yeah. Y'all believe that me and Wiley, we just play around, that's all we do all day is just play. It's pretty awesome. There you go, the front one's going down.
We about got I wanted something to happen now.
Sit in that seat. It ain't gonna throw you off.
Nothing. This is boom up.
Oh, there you go. Something's happening.
That's the auger again.
Yeah, that's the auger. There you boom out. The winch. That's the winch, Wiley.
Huh?
So the winch works. You go boom out.
I'd have moved when I winched it up.
Does your foot in it? Yeah, there you go. That's just a seat adjuster.
What heck for?
Yeah. Oh, that moved that pivot arm. When you did that, I mean, it ain't moving now. It just kind of shuddered a little.
Okay.
So the winch and the auger is the only two things that move. The other things must be on those circuits that's got the blowed hose in it. You don't want to keep messing with that. You don't want to ruin the motor, hydraulic motor. Now, if you follow this video, will go to 1 million views. I mean, I catch you.
You talking about have the camera suspended in the air?
So a couple things, Wiley. I mean, it fired right up.
Yes.
And then if we knew what we were doing on the levers, we'd probably make it work.
Or activating a
The PTO?
PTO somehow
Yeah.
or another.
Now we gotta get these outriggers back up. There you go. Oh,
I just changed the valve
yeah,
over, I guess. It
yes.
went from one to the other.
there you go. Just gotta hold your mouth right.
You got to pull both of them at one time.
Gotcha. All right,
Oh.
park it. Hey Wiley, let's do that deuce and a half next. Let's park this over here so when we come back and do that deuce and a half,
Hey,
that won't be in the way.
let's take this and pull that deuce and a half out.
Inconceivable.
Let's use this for some good.
Yeah.
Like, pull it off. Won't have to tote batteries. My back already hurt.
Okay, well let's try it. Let's try it.
All right.
All right. You want me to drive? You want to drive?
Well, we got to have a strap. I have a chain.
I got a strap.
Whoops.
This is Wiley's first time driving. You have to forgive him. That's good. Yeah, that strap is dope.
Hank, I don't know much about 2.5 tons.
NC Army. This must be from North Carolina National Guard. If I had my friend Tony here with me, he was an expert in this kind of stuff.
Boy. Tony's a smart man to be where he is away from you.
All right, so got it on this side.
I would hate to pull this bumper off.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks a little flimsy.
It does, don't it? Let's see, Hank. That might tell us something about.
That's just a winch. Data plate.
Well, I thought it might have told us something about
The data plates are usually in like where the glove box area.
It's a U.S. Army assembly number.
Yeah, the data plates are over there. Let me go on that side. There's an AM General. I don't see it, maybe a 72. Looks like a 72 model. All right, you want me to drive the auger truck?
Either or, it don't matter. Are we gonna try to pull it off as we roll it?
Yeah, why not?
Let's check the oil in this thing.
You don't want to throw a rod through the...
Well, I'd hate
Roof?
to.
Then we can come back for another video.
Oil sticks right there, Hank.
All right. Golly, I think 4 miles long. Oh yeah. Wiley.
Is it making oil?
It's making oil. All right.
No, it ain't all the way down there, Hank. Oh.
It's got water in it.
No.
Is that good?
It'd be easy to start. The starter's right there. It's 24 volts. We can do that if we want to see if the starter works. Hank, if you fall, 1 million views. And I'm probably a little old and slow to catch you. Hank, let me just bump it and see if it's free.
Okay, go ahead. That passenger side front tire is flat.
Flat, no problem.
I say she's free. Oh, this one's gonna crank, Wiley. This one's gonna crank.
It's free.
It's free. Let's pull it out.
You gonna try to steer it?
Or you want to swap places?
Huh?
You want me to do the deuce and a half?
It don't matter. I remember when.
All right, we're all counting.
I lost my mind.
We're all counting on you. All right.
All right.
Let's see if that might hold. If it falls down, it just falls down.
That thing broke. Just trying to. Oh, she wanted to. I thought she had fired, Hank. I thought it fired, but it didn't.
You want me to go faster, or is that faster?
Faster.
You want me to go faster? Okay.
Yeah,
Is it acting like it wants to?
I thought it did. That's why when I waved at you, I thought it fired.
Okay. All right, here we go.
I had put it in third. I'm not sure what we're doing right now. We're about to get stuck here. Woo. Hey.
I saw smoke coming out.
Let's try some ether.
Okay. With jumper cables beside it?
Huh?
With some jumper cables on the starter?
No, let's try some ether when we're pulling it. It wants to crank.
Dumb question, but how do you do that?
Ether?
Yeah, where do you spray it?
Right here on the, ain't that the intake right there?
Yeah, but who's going to put, we need 3 people.
Well, we just spray a little, then we'll.
And then we'll go.
Hang on just, Hank, I'm multi-talented. No, that's the exhaust.
Yeah, that's the exhaust.
Where's the air intake?
I don't know. Oh, it's right here.
You want to squirt a little in it and then let's try it again, see if that'll give it enough to go. You did see smoke?
Yeah. Does it act like I can't hear nothing?
I thought it was going. I thought it wanted to, but if you'll squirt just a little bit,
Okay.
and we'll see if that'll help it. And just come in circles. I won't try to start it coming back up that hill.
Okay, yeah, good.
In other words, if you can get back over on this road, we'll just, because we can't make the circle around the barn, we're going to have to turn here.
Okay, good luck. All right, let's try it.
Hold my beer and watch this. I'm getting my pants all dirty.
There's white smoke pouring out of it. There's white smoke pouring out of it.
Man, I wish we had the third party with us.
Yeah.
Hey, can that sit over there where I can see it?
It's just aim over the top of this.
Okay.
Because I mean, right here it is.
Okay.
So if you're coming this way,
Okay.
just to the right of that.
Roger, Roger. Better get at it, Hank. Better get at it.
What's it? It looks like it's about to go.
Yeah. I just wonder why you stopped right here in the wet area.
Oh, because I can. So we go
This
backwards
was the third thing your dad said. Hey, when you're pulling somebody, don't stop
in the wet area.
in a wet area.
Get here in that thing, and I'll show you some more in there. You're all over it, dude. But it looks like the breeze is blowing it away from it.
Yeah, I feel it in my hair. But Hank, let's try it coming downhill.
Okay.
Let's all going uphill. You'll get in this bog. I'm scared we'll get stuck.
Okay. Well, quit being a scaredy cat. So me and Wiley were just really kind of tinkering around with this one.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comments below if you want us to come back and try this one again. I think it's going to go. What do you think?
I think so too. I think we need the third guy.
Blowing ether down it. You know?
Yeah.
So let me see your hands, dude.
And plus, I didn't have my red cap on.
You didn't have your red cap on. I mean,
You
you're
don't
lucky.
have, you know, you changed hats also.
Yeah, that's right. We've screwed up this one.
Well, we got a new year. Yeah.
It's a new year. We're messing things up right off the bat. Hey, listen, we appreciate you guys watching. Leave a comment below if you want us to come back, try this Deuce in half. You guys take care. God bless.